Hi guys! Good evening! My name is Lydia Macaro. In this video, I would like to greet a happy birthday to Ate Marna Lifestyle. Ayan, Ate Marna, I wish you a good health. That the most important, lalo-lalo na ngayon na hindi ko na lang sasabihin yung edad mo dahil sa akin ay bata ka pa po. Ayan. Ate Marna, thank you so much for our friendship here in Singapore. Thank you so much for your all support my channel, for your all advice in my life. Thank you so much, Ate Marna. Thank you so much for our happiness, for our sadness, and I think is we always together, we always laugh until her in our ears, even though every time we together is rainy day. Ayan. Thank you so much sa mga ngiting na pagsaluhan natin sa mga food at saka sa mga problem na i-share natin sa bawat isa. Thank you so much, Ate Marna. Ayan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Ate Marna, and wish more birthday to come to you. More cake to blow and cut, and sorry kung hindi ako nakarating this time for your birthday GLS dahil alam mo naman nasa vacation pa po yung aking employer. Ayan, enjoy your GLS, Ate Marna, and I hope na sa lahat na mananalo ay laking tulong na din po ito sa atin dahil sa pag-share ni Ate Marna ng blessing galing sa kanyang puso. Ayan, ito po ay ating tatanggapin din po ng taos puso. Ayan, and then diba sabi ko sa'yo na give time to yourself na naman, wag lang lagi yung trabaho. So enjoy your day na lang, Ate Marna, and I'm hoping na we together every time our off day habang nandito pa tayo sa Singapore, and more happiness together as ni Ate Maribik, ni Luningling, ayan, at saka sa ibang pa pong mga friends. Ayan, thank you so much for the happiness, and once again, Ate Marna, happy birthday, and God bless and good luck to your GLS. And syempre, hindi lang po akong nag-iisa na babati mula sa aming puso, na babati ng happy birthday sa iyo, Ate Marna. Syempre, meron pa po tayong mga close friend na babati sa iyo. Ayan, what's this next to me?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Mirna. Stay happy always. Many happy returns of the day. More and more birthdays are to be coming. Be happy, stay safe, and eat lot of chorizos. Don't miss our chorizo party, huh? Please be there. Let the Lord give you all the blessings which you need. Let the Almighty shower all the blessings. Be happy always, Ma'am Mirna. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy. Bye.
Shout out po sa lahat dyan. Ayan, nandito po ako ngayon para batiin ang ating nag-iisang ate ng YT. And Ate Marns, happy birthday, and thank you sa Lydia sa greetings na to. Ayan, so gusto ko lang batiin ang ating nag-iisang ate ng YT all the way from Singapore. Happy birthday at Ate Marns, God bless you always. Ingat ka palagi, and then sana gabayan ka ni Lord dyan sa work mo, good health, protection, at ipalaya sa anumang kapahamakan. And thank you for the love at support sa aming mga friendship mo dito sa YT World. And thank you sa mga support mo, sa mga pakulay ng aming bahay. And thank you kasi nga, minsan kahit di kami nakapag-support sa'yo, andyan ka pa rin despite of your high-tech schedule. So yun lang. Happy birthday, Ate Marns. God bless you always. Thank you for watching, guys. At sa mga nanonood dyan, please do like and subscribe sa ating Ate Merns, and then at of course sa ating Cecilia Macaro. So thank you guys. Love you all. Bye!
Kumusta na po kayong lahat? Ngayon guys, ayan, ano ako ng greetings para po kay Ate Myrna Lifestyle. Happy birthday po. Ayan, happy birthday po Ate Myrna Lifestyle. Kanyang YouTube channel, Myrna Lifestyle. Thank you so much po Ate Myrna sa lahat po. Alam niyo na po yun. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat. Yan, ingat po kayo palagi dyan sa sa Singapore, kayong tatlo na kilala ko dito sa YouTube. Sa pag-YT natin dito tayo nagkakilala kahit na hindi tayo nagkikita ng personal. Yan, happy birthday po sa iyo Ate Mern. Ate Mern, thank you so much sa lahat. Enjoy your day. Ayan, stay healthy, stay fit lang at saka enjoy lang yung life natin sa pag-YT, enjoy lang natin yung trabaho natin, lahat na, kumbaga, be happy lang po always. And dito lang po ako, pag may time po kami, may time po ako, mag-support po ako sa inyong lahat, ayan, sa inyong lahat, thank you so much, salamat po ako ng lubos-lubos pong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta, kahit na hindi po ako totally full force na pag-support inyo, nandyan pa rin kayo, thank you so much, and once again, happy birthday po Ate Myrna Lifestyle. Thank you so much sa lahat. And then, stay healthy. Ayan. Wish you all the best in life. And then, sa trabaho nyo po, yung mga achievement nyo po sa buhay. Ayan, go lang po. And then, stay healthy, stay pretty. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you so much sa inyong support. And then, huwag nyo kalimutan, ako po pala si Jillian Vlog. Nag-ano sa inyo, babati tayo ng ating birthday girl na si Myrna Lifestyle ng happy birthday po once again. God bless everyone. Thank you for always support. Bye everyone. Love you all. Love you Ate Myrna.